Hey everybody, Janet Spisak here, Keller Williams. I am here to show you a property that is going live today. We just closed on a property 2 doors down, and it's your lucky day because in this beautiful, quiet, friendly neighborhood, we have another property coming available. So let's take a walk. This one is 5602 137th Place Southeast, and it is, let me just back up here. It is an attached single-family residence. So this would be all of your property in a little path that goes back to the greenbelt. This house is so meticulously cared for. You are in for a treat, and the updates are perfect. Everything is on trend and on spot, so I can't wait to show you. Come on in. Welcome home. First, we have these beautiful hardwood floors. We've got an entry with a few closets. Here's the garage. One-car garage. The furnace is new in, I want to say 2018. Water heater is newer as well. Here you have your laundry area with lots of room for storage. Washer and dryer stay in there, really nice. And then you have the living area. Let's start in this beautiful gourmet kitchen that has stainless steel appliances, high-end, double oven. I love that kind of refrigerator with the drawers. Love that, that's my favorite. Beautiful quartz counters, soft close to the ceiling, cabinetry, that's beautiful, shaker style, open to the living area. It feels very big and gourmet in here. High-end faucet, it's just really beautiful. Lots of storage, fantastic. Across the hallway, you have a sweet little powder room. Take care of business. And then this is a nice little addition. You have a walk-in pantry that's very big. Storage for everything. Lots and lots of room. A sweet little dining area. It's actually pretty big right here. And then you have some under cabinet in this pony wall. You've got some under cabinet storage over here. Really nice. You've got a gas fireplace that's on a thermostat with remote control, so you can make it whatever temperature you want. The ambient mood lighting. And then these, this is a fun little fact. There's a lot of lighting is on dimmers, which is really awesome. And then we also have a screen that is electric. I'm using the little remote here. Yeah, that's kind of fun, isn't it? If you want to watch TV and black out any summer sun. And then look at this awesome patio and backyard. Now the grass will be looking beautiful by May and June, but right now it's just, you know, the winter's been, it takes its toll on Northwest living in grass. But look at this, it's huge, total party patio, cute yard. I love that you can see clear back through into the greenbelt. Just makes it feel like it's really, really big and super private. I love these backyards. Let's head upstairs and see what we have. We have really nice carpet, freshly shampooed. Everything is meticulously cared for in this house. It is remarkable. It feels literally like brand new. Let's start in the master. Huge master bedroom. What's not to love about that? Nice and private. Love that. You have your own master bathroom, updated, immaculate condition. And then here's the walk-in closet. Where's the light? There is a light. I know there's a light. But nice big walk-in closet. Nice fan. bathroom. This is the only room that's not updated, but it is literally in like perfect condition. It is amazing. Let's not forget this fun little linen closet in the hallway. And then we have 2 large bedrooms down the hallway this way with a nice big closet. And then down the hallway on this side, 1 more bedroom. It's actually pretty darn big too. And that's it. So we have listed this property. We're going live at the opening bid price for 2021 is $489,000. And we are going to review offers on the 12th, which is Monday. And so if you want to see this, or you know somebody that wants to see it, tag them, do whatever you need to do, get this to them. Give me a call if you want me to show you. There's going to be some space available immediately on showing time to come take a preview. So give me a call. My number is 425-268-3353. And I would love to show you this incredible place. Have a great day.